Hey guys, Shri here. So let me tell you all that I have been learning HTML and CSS from around 1 month right now, and I've progressed a lot in that. And today I'm gonna show you to how to build a simple menu page or uh, your work profile. I mean, what are the services you provide? You have to make that page. All right. So I will create it in front of you right now, and it will only take around 49 to 50 lines code. That's all right. And I'm going to complete it in 15 minutes. The HTML, I have already wrote the HTML code and it took me around 10 minutes to write it, and right now I'm gonna write the CSS codes and then I'm gonna show you the final results. Alright, let's go. So as you can see right here, I've started with my style.css file, and in that I have started writing my codes. First of all, we are here working on our body segment. So it's the complete page that we have to show, we have to portray. And first of all, we are going to add a background image to it so that it would look a little bit classy. All right. And meanwhile I'm writing my codes, I'll be checking the web page so that I can understand what more modifications I can do to it. Now we are doing the font family, so the writings, whatever heading or anything I put into it, so it would look really good. And see, what I think is HTML and CSS are completely basic level, anyone can easily understand it. All right, all you have to do is understand the where you have to use these code and understand their properties. I mean, what are the things they portray and all. Like for an example, this margin top and the margin bottom. What is margin? So it is the spaces margin top, so it is the small space you left on the top of the page. All right, so similarly you have to understand the properties and where to use it. That's all it has in HTML and CSS, nothing more. And yeah, as you can see, I'm progressing a little by little. I'm not rushing so that it would look really good. Well, it is just a small menu page. It is not as complex as it looks. It's only a 50 line codes. Easily a third grader can write it. I swear, easily a third grader can write it. All right, all you have to do is understand it. That's all. And as you can see, I'm currently doing my catchy line class. So it's a line I have put after my head, after my, the company name. uh, as you can see, I'm checking the HTML codes along with the CSS, because I have to link the both files together. All right, I can't just put random bullshit in the CSS codes. I have to look after what I have wrote in HTML, what are the classes I have put in the HTML, so that I can link to them both. All right. And yeah, this video is completely speeded up, because yeah, I was taking a lot of time to write the CSS codes. As you can see, I'm setting up perfect color so that it would look good. Yeah, progressing little by little. So yeah, guys, I finally wrote all the all the codes. Here, as you can see, these are my HTML codes. It's about 49 lines, I guess. Wait, let me check it. Yeah, it's almost 49 lines. And here we go to CSS. Oh my god, it's exceeding 80 lines. Yeah, CSS is really long, man. You have to look after all the details you put into that. Actually, if HTML is the skeletal body now, CSS is just the entire nervous system. And here is the final result. As you can see, this is the page I've been working on. It took me around 15 to 20 minutes. Damn. As you can see, this is my menu page, and these are the services I provide. So yeah, this is what it is about HTML and CSS for today, and yeah, I hope you like it, and comment me how was it. All right, how it looks. Let me tell you, this was just a small representation of what I have actually learned, and this was at completely basics level. All right, it is not even a basic. It is just a starter. All right, and I'm gonna showcase more of my projects in upcoming future. All right, so stay tuned and like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you want the codes of the menu page and stuff, or the service page, you can get it on my GitHub account. Its link is given in the description.